In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to export audio for a video. Let's say you want to export just the audio and you want to edit it in a program like Adobe Audition. Now, if I play this video, you can hear the sound. I'll just increase the volume here. You can hear the sound. Now, one of the things you can do is that you can, first of all, you can edit the audio here. But I'm not going to do that for now. I'll do a separate video about that. What we want to do is that we want to export just the audio. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on export and I will name the audio. Let's just say Azimuth interview, and then I'll say audio. The next thing I want to do is that I want to toggle this off, because now if you see the video is on and if I want to export it, it's going to be 114 megabytes. So what I can do is I'll just toggle this off and then I'll switch it to audio rather, and it's going to be just 2 megabytes. And I want to choose the format MP3, WAV, AAC, and FLAC. I will leave it at MP3. Then I will simply click on export. It's going to be a very, very quick export because the audio is very, very short. So you see it's exporting. And that is it, it's exported. I can open this folder to see where it is. And this is my audio. I'll just right click. So this is my audio. That is, in a nutshell, is how to export audios in Capcut. That's to export your sound. If you got any value out of this video, watch the next video where I show you how to export a video in Capcut. God bless you, peace.